There have been some amazing machines developed over the years, and we're showing off some of our favorites today with 10 most amazing machines you didn't know existed. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. DT-30 Vityaz. Dubbed a multi-purpose articulated tracked carrier, this machine was developed in the Soviet Union to help transport heavy loads over difficult terrain, such as swampland, sand, or deep snow. It weighs 58 tons and measures just over 45 feet in length, with a crew capacity of 2. This vehicle was used extensively by the Russian military around the world, and the Vityaz helped keep them safe by being almost impervious to AT mine explosions. The Vityaz is also used for rescue operations and has a pull ratio of around 500 kN, which means it can free a stuck vehicle when approaching it from pretty much any angle. The Vityaz also includes features that include autonomous return to the mothership if necessary, and they can still keep trucking even if both tracks of one unit fail entirely. Furthermore, it's able to deploy ships offshore, even in incredibly icy conditions. BLG-60. Based on the MT-55, the BLG-60 is an armored vehicle designed to launch and recover bridges for easier troop movement over rough terrain, streams, or rivers. The machine uses a series of hydraulic cylinders that can be controlled manually or automatically based on the situation. This machine allows troops to safely deploy bridges while inside the vehicle, protecting them from enemy fire or the elements. When fully deployed, the bridge can carry loads of up to 50 tons and spans a length of 18 meters. When the bridge is no longer needed, the crew simply retracts it and moves on to their next location, ready for their next task. VZ-950 Titan. With a fuel capacity of 800 liters, the VZ-950 Titan puts out 768 horsepower and is one of the best industrial shredders on the market. Its Volvo Penta diesel engine is designed for maximum efficiency and extended lifetime, making this one hell of a workhorse. There are 2 options available that each focus on specific types of material. One is meant to deal with wood, green waste, and minerals, while the other is capable of shredding cars, scrap, and light metal with absolute ease. The machine is tracked, allowing it to be moved from one location to another with minimal effort. And it even comes with a remote control if you don't want to get too close while the machine is powered on. The discharge belt also uses magnets for easy separation of material. The shredder can even be broken down into individual components that allow for stationary systems, if you so choose. Wheel Trolley WT-1500NT. Moving large wheels around can be tricky at times, and takes a lot of effort if you're doing it by yourself. The Wheel Trolley aims to make these tasks much easier. It can carry wheels between 39.37 inches and 94.49 inches, with a max width, making it quite versatile. A ratchet strap keeps wheels secure during transport, and a handle switch combo makes retracting the jaws or turning the trolley an amazingly simple process. These trolleys can carry a weight of up to 3,300 pounds and weighs 661 pounds itself. The good news is that the wheeled trolley doesn't feel that heavy when you're moving a load around. 9200 Latuga. This self-propelled tracked harvester has a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine that pumps out around 74 horsepower. Now, while that may not sound like a lot, the 9200 Latuga doesn't need much more than that, and it's able to perform its job simply and efficiently. Customizable to suit your specific needs, the 9200 Latuga also has a wealth of accessories that are hooked up via the harvester's extra auxiliary connections. Temporary collection stops allow you to suspend collection and resume it at the press of a button, letting users exchange full loads for empty crates before continuing work. It has a work platform area of 23 meters squared and can carry loads of up to 3,000 kilograms. The width of the track is also adjustable, with a minimum width of 145 centimeters and a maximum of 210 centimeters. One of the coolest features is the fact that technicians can remotely tap in at any point to troubleshoot any issues that may arise, making repair a cinch. CURT Systems. Training racing horses can be a long and onerous task, but that doesn't mean it has to be that way forever. Mehmet Kurt, the company's founder, knew there had to be a better way to go about training horses, and CURT Systems is his ingenious solution. It not only preps young horses for a life of racing, but also helps build up their musculoskeletal system at the same time. This system helps to mitigate injuries by building up a horse's strength in a safe, controlled setting that allows them to improve gradually. The system looks a lot like a roller coaster suspended underneath the tracks above, and the rails help keep the entire thing stable for the horse's sakes. A control panel tracks a horse's health, movement, behavior, and oxygen systems to keep an eye out for trouble areas, and each saddle is specifically designed for each individual horse. Conver mowing boats. Mowing doesn't just happen on land, and sometimes a little cleanup needs to happen on the water. These mowing boats, developed by Conver, excel at clearing plant growth from embankments, and also help keep water flow up where it needs to be. Too much vegetation can really cause issues at times, but the Conver mowing boats have you covered for sure. There are a few varieties, each which tackles specific tasks, and their modularity allows you to easily switch accessories to fit. The tools are all hydraulic, and engines range from 34 horsepower right up to a maximum of 68 horsepower. Tools are easy to attach and remove on the fly, and even the smaller varieties of these mowing boats have a lot to offer. Snow Joe Shovel. This motorized snow shovel is powered by a 10-amp motor and comes in a very sleek-looking package. It weighs 13.6 pounds and can move up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. A 2-blade paddle auger tosses snow up to 20 feet in the air and clears a path that's 11 inches wide and 6 inches deep per pass. The built-in LED means you can work in poor lighting conditions or at night without worry, and the 2-year warranty is also a solid plus. Small and lightweight, the Snow Joe is ideal for small jobs around the house and is amazingly efficient at what it does. Aircraft Caddy. Towing an aircraft from point A to point B is a lot easier when you have an aircraft caddy to help you out. The heavy-duty steel frame means it can put up with a lot of abuse without any issues and can pull aircraft up to either 4 or 8 kilometers. You don't even need aircraft wheel parts, as the caddy works great both with or without them. It can easily rotate 180 degrees, and the battery makes almost no noise at all when it's powered on, saving you from damaging your eardrums during operation. The caddy can use either a hand crank or electric winch to adjust the 7-foot strap and wheel tether, and even has a built-in DC power supply and 10-foot cord for starting up the airplane and running avionics without the need for additional equipment. Bergekran BKF-35. A 4-axled armored crane rescue vehicle, this machine is a real workhorse. It is, first and foremost, designed to protect its occupants in case of an accident, which always helps, and has an extended cab to store additional equipment or crew on board. This is made to be a powerful military vehicle and can cover extremely long distances without breaking a sweat. The Bergekran BKF-35 is suitable for repair, support, rescue, recovery, and emergency aid tasks, and is totally bulletproof for the most part. It can carry loads of up to 16 tons in towing mode, and is incredibly agile despite its size, being able to tackle very rough terrain. And that's 10 most amazing machines you didn't know existed. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be a part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.